がわがままシンデレラ。
Hi guys watching YouTube and students of Hiragana Katakana Academy on YouTube. It's Kamo here. If you are very beginner for Japanese hiragana or you still can't learn hiragana well, you need to watch this video. Please watch this video from start to the end completely. I swear I make your Japanese level to higher phase. Let's start it. I know many people from many countries watching this video, but I think what I am going to speak is universal thing. Now please remember when you was age of 1, 2, 3, how did your mom, dad teach you the language, alphabet? I think the most of parents teach the alphabet to their child first. And how they do that is teach to child not only alphabet but they teach some words too. For example, I had watched American TV show for kids. The show teaches English alphabet to children. I don't remember well, but somebody singing to teach English alphabet like A is apples A, B is babies B. And actually I had watched Arabic TV show for kids too. I don't know the pronunciation of Arabic, but Arabic TV show did the same way. In Japan, there are some TV shows too. And some Japan toy companies sell Hiragana starting toy. One of Japanese famous educational company, Kumon, sell this toy. There are some wooden pieces with Hiragana and Hiragana word picture. Look at this. Japanese Hiragana ni and in other side picture of chicken because chicken in Japanese is niwatori. Japanese children age of 1 to 3 play with their parents using this toy. When the parents pronounce incorrect pronunciation, children try to copy that. In very first phase, you don't need pen, notebook. What you need to do is watch and copy by your mouth. Do you have Japanese dad or mom? Okay. Today, I'll be your mom or dad and show you 46 basic Japanese hiragana pronunciation words. Now guys, let's be a kid again and copy me. Ame. Ame means rain. Inu. Inu means dog. Umi. Umi means sea. Enpitsu. Enpitsu means pencil. Oto. Oto means sound. Kami. Kami means hair. Kiru. Kiru means cut. Kuruma. Kuruma means car. Kesu. Kesu means delete. Kodomo. Kodomo means child. Saifu. Saifu means wallet. Shiro. Shiro means white. Suika. Suika means watermelon. Seifuku. Seifuku means uniform. 空。空 means sky. 高い。高い means high. 力。力 means power. 爪。爪 means nails. 手。手 means hand. 鳥。鳥 means bird. 泣く。泣く means cry. 人参。人参 means carrots. 布。布 means cloth. 猫。猫 means cat. 喉。喉 means throat. 花。花 means flower. 光。光 means light. 笛。笛 means whistle. 蛇。蛇 means snake. 星。星 means stars. 枕。枕 means pillow. 未来。未来 means future. 虫。虫 means insect. 目。目 means eyes. 文字。文字 means letters. 山。山 means mountain. 夢。夢 means dream. 夜。夜 means night. ラクダ。ラクダ means camel. リンゴ。リンゴ means apple. 留守。留守 means absence. 冷蔵庫。冷蔵庫 means refrigerator. ろうそく。ろうそく means candle. 笑う。笑う means smile. ペンを使う。ペンを使う means use a pen. 日本語。日本語 means Japanese language. If you are very beginner for Japanese studying, I want you to do this training again and again, and you finished this training completely. Let's check your hiragana basic skill in this flashcard. You can find it in my description. Guys, how was today's lesson? I upload video about Japanese lesson every day. I'm always trying to tell you way of learning Japanese in some ways. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel and like the video. And don't forget, push the bell mark for notification. If you have anything you want to tell me, feeling, opinion to me, request, please leave a comment for this video. I promise I checked all. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next.
シャイな王子様じゃれつくふりして飛びついたあなたは苦笑い困り顔恋はいつだって勢いよ構ってのどなでてブラシして12時が来たら帰らなきゃドレスの裾を翻してねあなたは私を探すでしょうガラスの鈴はここに落としとくわね